Welcome to the EdTech Tutor channel, how-to demonstrations and tutorials for technology tools in K-12 and higher education. Be sure to like and subscribe this channel and comment below. We're going to use the Articulate Rise 360 web-based application to create a e-learning. So this is the homepage of Articulate 360. We can drop down and we can see review, content library, training, rise.articulate.com is the web address at the top. So we have a template we can start from, but we're going to start a new course from blank course. New course, blank course. Show you some of the features. So we can describe our course, so it gives us a course title at the top. So we just have to type over geography. Course description. This course covers North America and South America and okay, so we have a course description and we can make that longer if we want. So if we want to add a lesson, when we add lessons, it's our sections of our course. So when we add a lesson, we'll type in the lesson title for this section and press enter. Okay, so we have an add content button now. We can add content, but we'll continue with all my lessons first, sort of the outline of the course. Okay, so we have three sections: North America, South America, and Antarctica. We're going to click Add Content. Add Content, Lesson, or Quiz. We're going to add just a lesson, so these are our learning blocks. So our first block could be text, a list of items, an image, video, a process, flashcards, sorting, label graphic, or a continue button. So let's add text, and we'll show you how this works. So heading. So this is a heading of our section for North America. About. And then I'll go to my text file, grab some text, paste it in there. Okay. So we have text for the end user to read. So let's add an image for visual interest. So when we add an image, it adds it below this line here. We click edit. Okay. And we can change this. So click edit again. Replace from content library or replace image. So we can search on our content library. Okay. This is the content library of free images from Articulate. And we can pick and choose what we want, and then we'll add it in there. So this is a simple geography lesson, so we'll put in a globe. Close that. Great. There's a picture of North America. Perfect. Okay, we're going to click a continue button. So now this is going to continue to the next section. So we can continue to South America. Okay. So in South America, we'll add some different items. Okay. So click to the back here. So now we have content. We can edit content. South America, add content as a lesson. Okay, go to my geography. Okay. Add text. So let's be consistent. South America. Okay. Add an image. Again, edit. Edit. So we can replace from content library. Okay, we have some pictures of South America. So we can pick the world map, or we can pick, geography. Some visual interest here. Let's pick that. Okay. let's add a flashcard. I'll show you what the flashcards are. So flashcards, front of a card and back of card. A flashcard is a good way to have the text description with an image. Okay, so the front of the card, we'll click Edit. Front of the card could be text. So wildlife. Back of card could be text or an image. So we'll do a full card image. Click Edit. So some parrots we can use for South America. Okay. The mountains. I'm going to replace this image from content library. And we'll search for mountains. We have some text there. And then we'll add text for the other tourist locations. The back of card will be a full card image. Click Edit. Oh. Replace from content library. Alright, so tourist locations. So what these look like. So when we're done with this, we close that section. So wildlife, flip. Mountains, flip. Tourist locations, flip. Perfect. Continue. Let's close this. Okay. If we don't want Antarctica, our lesson's too long, we already have North America and South America, we can delete this section. Okay. So we can add a quiz at the end. So let's add this as a quiz. Press Enter, add content. So is this a lesson or a quiz? This could be a quiz. Okay. Order your questions, enter question here. Describe your quiz and then add questions on the left. Okay. So I click the question. Here's one question, second question. Enter a question title here. Where is North America? We have two choices or multiple choice, right? So choice one is above South America, in Asia. So what do we have selected is correct. Okay, so above South America. How large is South America? So you see this is multiple choice, more than one. We can change this to be multiple choice or multiple response. So it's only one answer, right? We get square kilometers. Okay. Go back. Okay. Let's go back to edit content in North America. And we're going to scroll down here. So I'll show you all blocks. And we can do a knowledge check. A knowledge check is just like an ungraded question. So we do multiple choice, multiple response, fill in the blank, or matching. So again, you have to create your own questions and your own answers. But knowledge check just checks for each section. Okay. So it's like a quiz, but it's not graded. So let's choose fill in the blank. Let's look at our questions up here. So which hemisphere, okay? North America is in a Okay, when we're done, we click back here. Let's click preview so you can see what this looks like. So we have the desktop, mobile devices. We're going to start our course. Oh, we forgot to change the, I'll show you this part here. Okay, we'll just preview it, start course. So it tracks our progress on the left side. North America, about North America. Okay, there's a question, there's a graphic. Click continue. North America is in a Western Okay, did I spell that wrong? Click next. South America, about South America. There's a graphic. Wildlife, mountains, tourist locations. Click continue. Start the quiz. Where's North America? Okay, submit. Correct. How large is South America? We didn't remove choice 4, but that's okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Submit. Correct. And then it shows us our quiz results. So passing is 80%. I scored 100. So hopefully that can get you guys started with Rise. If you like this presentation, I could add more and more customizations. Thank you for watching.